Hello and welcome back to Unbox.
Welcome back. Okay, I'm a lefty. This has got a
Can
pull
she
tab.
do it? Pull tab.
Maybe I'm gonna be a righty.
Is it? Is it a pull tab? It is. Ooh, I can see the red glow.
Oh,
So freaking thoughtful and delightful.
Another pull tab.
Look at the inside of this box. It's red. Happy Valentine's Day.
What is going on here?
Oh, hold on. This is crazy. Teenage Engineering, manufacturer of synthesizers and other insanely delightful gear.
This, I just got really excited.
She just got. It's probably not as cool as you're expecting, but it is very cool.
Teenage Engineering is what's up.
Computer -1. I'll do this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I already know that these are the little buttons. Anybody want a new art installation? B&R maybe? It's orange and black.
Wow. And the sun comes to shine on the orange powder coat.
David, I'm curious as to what this is.
It's a computer, Allison.
A computer doing computery things.
Computer -1, beep boop. The way that it works is it's a computer case. And when Teenage Engineering drops a computer case, you just buy it. You don't think about it, you just buy it. Do I need a computer? Probably.
No
I need a computer case for Teenage Engineering. I'll figure out a computer that I need to build with it.
You'll think of something.
I'm sure I will. I got time. I got tons of time.
Thank you so much, Teenage Engineering.
I'm excited to build a computer now.
Stay tuned.
Now I'll buy the rest of the parts. Bye.
Bye.